The most delicious way of preparing chicken is how the Africans prepare it. And today, I just want to take you through. Trust me, you will love it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. You will love it here, so please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. So I have my chicken here. I will clean it very well and then we can continue. Okay, first of all, when you buy your chicken, you will see that yellow part. You make sure you remove them before you cook it. Okay, yes, you have to clean it very well. Usually they are on your drumsticks and then the feet. Yes, so during this process I was using cold water to do it, and it was very hard for me to remove. So my elder sister told me that I have to add hot water to it, or warm, so that it will be very easy to do so. And trust me, it was so easy. So when you are doing yours, you can just go ahead and then do so. I changed the water because it was looking very bad. Okay, now sometimes there are some feathers, okay, on it. You make sure you remove all of them before you proceed. Sometimes those yellowish thing I am removing, sometimes they are not yellow. So you have to look very well. Sometimes they are white. Okay, they are whitish. So make sure you look very well and then clean your chicken very well before you eat. You have to be very careful and then prep your things well before you take it in the body. Now, after we are done removing that yellowish part, and then the feathers, I went ahead to add my lemon juice to remove that smell from the chicken. You can as well use your vinegar to do so, and or to serve the same purpose, and that also works perfectly. But today's recipe we are going to use lemon, and I actually love using lemon than the vinegar. I prefer using vinegar for some other things, okay, but not my puddings. Yeah. Now, after adding the lemon juice to it, I allowed it to stay for about 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes I went ahead to wash it again very well. So like you can see on the screen, I'm washing it very well, and then ensure that it is well washed. Okay, yes. Now I will do that one by one so that I can wash it very well. If today is the first time here, we are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. Trust me, you will love it. And also we have 3 channel. The name is Recipe Goddess. Please follow us. We use our local dialect to explain the recipes. Okay, it is different videos, but we use local dialect instead of English. Now, whilst I finished cleaning the chicken, it is resting somewhere, I went ahead to clean my onions. So what you are seeing now is onions. I washed the chicken for about 3 times, and as I'm talking to you right now, it is in the lemon juice again for just some few minutes, and then we can proceed. So I have garlic, and that is my ginger. I have pepper there. I will just go ahead and peel the skin, clean it very well, and then we can prepare our chicken. This chicken, oh my goodness, was nothing but absolutely delicious. And oh my goodness, the one who had this chicken really enjoyed it. Yes, he fell in love with it, and asked for more. Yes, he actually paired this with some jollof rice, and oh my goodness, it was so good. Now I have my fresh bay leaves from the garden, and then my fresh rosemary from the garden as well. I am just going to add all those ingredients and then blend. So those are the ingredients I've blended, okay? But with the bay leaves I did not, so I have that as well there. Now I'll go ahead and then add my salt. I have some chicken season in there. I'll add my natural herbs and spice blend. I am actually number one fan of natural herbs and spice blend. Yes, I love them because they smell good, and then they are very flavorful, and I love it. Okay, natural herbs and spice always add some taste to your food, and that is one of the reasons I love them. Okay, now it has been on fire for some time now, and it is ready. You make sure you cook it well. So with that chicken, oh my goodness, it is not that bad chicken, okay? Yes, it is hard or bread for chicken, so I cooked it very well. But if you are using dadaba if you are using dadaba chicken, you make sure that one you don't have to cook it for a very long time. Okay, yes, this one is very hard. Now after I was done with it, I strained the stock from it, and then now I have started frying. I'll put everything in the oil, and when it's time for us to flip it to the other side, we will go ahead and do so. Please, have you liked this video? If you haven't, can you please do so for me? Like the video, share to others, leave me your comment in the comment section. Follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. But if you want a treat channel on YouTube, with that, it is Recipe Goddess. Yes, so now I'll flip it to the other side, and if you look at that your left corner there, you can see we are preparing jollof rice at that end as well. I can't wait to bring you the recipe. Yes, so now this is how it looks, and it is almost ready. Okay, it is ready, but I just want the chicken to be a bit dry because that is how the person requested it. So we will fry it for some few more minutes, and then we should be okay. Let me also know what you use to season your chicken in the comment section, so I learn from you. Yes, we learn from each other every day. Now our chicken is ready. I'll remove it from the oil, allow it to be on the paper towel or in the colander so that some of the oil can strain out. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time. See you in the next video, and do not forget to eat healthy and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.